Hi, it's Larry Huey, owner of Huey Hartman Upholstery and the YouTube channel at the Indie Portal. And today's vlog is about my journey through the Red Rock Canyon in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now let's get right to it.
The Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas is a pyramid-shaped resort known for its iconic beam of light, luxurious accommodations, a large casino, and various dining and entertainment options. Here I'm walking out to the self-park area to go to the Palms Resort.
5 a.m. in the morning, and I'm at the Palms Casino Resort. I found a breakfast place that's open 24 hours. So I thought I would come over here and get some breakfast. Well, walking too much, so I'm gonna go back to the car and head back another way. Good morning from Las Vegas, Nevada, the town that never sleeps. And I'm out early for some breakfast, and it's really early here, like 5 a.m. And it's really nippy. It's really cold, super cold. So I'm in the top of the Palms Casino Resort parking garage, the free parking, and then the view of Vegas just outstanding from here. Good morning from the cafe and the Palms Casino and Resort. It's about, let's see, what is it? 5:25 in the morning on a Friday. So I'm in the cafe. It's really nice cafe, but you know, as you can see, I'm the only one in here.
The Loco Moco is a Hawaiian dish with rice, a hamburger patty, and I'm having poached eggs with the brown gravy. Sammy Hagar's Island at the Palms in Las Vegas is a lively bar and venue with a tropical theme, offering cocktails and live music, reflecting Hagar's rock and roll style.
Here's where the sun's up, same view from the parking garage at the Palms.
The drive from Palm Resort in Las Vegas to Red Rock Canyon typically takes about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on traffic and the specific route you take. The distance is approximately 20 miles. Be sure to check current traffic conditions for the most accurate time travel.
Red Rock Canyon offers numerous recreational opportunities, making it a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking is one of the main attractions, with trails ranging from easy walks to challenging scrambles. The scenic drive through the park provides stunning views and access to several trailheads. Rock climbing is also a popular activity, with routes available for climbers of all skill levels. What's on that rock? Rock climbing is one of the most popular recreation activities at Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. There are routes of interest for every skill level, with massive boulders and sheer rock faces attracting climbers from around the world. Look high up on the rocks to spot some of the climbers in action. It's not a park, National Conservation Area. Red Rock Canyon is not a park. Whereas a park might be more focused on recreation, Congress designates national conservation areas to conserve, protect, enhance, and manage public lands for current and future generations. How beautiful it is out here. It is gorgeous. So this is the Turtlehead Peak Trail, and elevation 4308, low 6322 feet high. Distance one way is 2.3 miles. Looks like a nice hike. It's beautiful out here today. It's 55 degrees, sunny, not a cloud in the sky. It's just gorgeous. And I'm at this Turtle Peak trail area. Sandstone is the composition of the rocks over here. It's really awesome. I love coming out to Red Rock Canyon. So if you could travel back in time about 180 million years, you would find yourself standing in a vast field of towering red sand dunes that stretched across much of the Southwest. This immense dune field was one of the largest that ever existed on Earth. Over time, underground water moving through the dunes carried away much of the red color and left behind calcium carbonate. This process cemented the sand into rock, which now forms the colorful sandstone cliffs and hills that you are looking at right now. This is the Fire Ecology Trail. Elevation 3960 feet low, 3993 feet high. And the distance is 0.40 mile loop. Such a beautiful day out here today. Well, that wraps it up for another vlog episode with me, your host, Larry Huey, the upholstery guy. Thanks for tuning in, and please put your comments below. Thank you.